I think the Fed has a really tough decision ahead of itself, and I'm not so sure that there is going to be a cut. Because of the low fire environment, workers are staying in jobs simply because it's the safe thing to do, not necessarily because it's where they will be the most productive or will find the most fulfilling careers. And that means that we probably aren't seeing as much productivity or innovation as we would in a more fluid job market.
Daryl, what is the Fed to do in this situation then? Because if, presumably we're going to get that cut next week, the market is expecting it, everyone is expecting it. But then if we get some kind of surprise out of the NFP data when we finally get it the following week, will that cut be enough to assuage the market that the labour market is in hand?
I think the Fed has a really tough decision ahead of itself, and I'm not so sure that there is going to be a cut. Inflation is still well above the target that the Fed needs to hit. And there's all of this talk about an AI bubble. And if the Fed were to lower interest rates, that could add more fuel to the bubble, making it more dangerous to the overall economy. So I definitely think there will be Fed members who are going to be very cautious about cutting. But there will also be members who are looking at the labor market and are deciding that a cut is necessary because of what's happening in the labor market.